Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add email signature in Outlook. Adding email signature in Outlook is very basic, but before you have to create your digital signature. So for that reason, we have to use another platform which is called My Signature. So for that, simply go to the browser and search for My Signature. Then you will get this first link. Simply open it up and you will be onto its website. Once you get onto the website, then you have to click on create signature. That will show you different templates of your signature. You can use any one of them, but some of them are paid, so you have to get the subscription, but you can use the free ones. So first you have to simply add your name and then click on next. After that, you have to add your industry in which you work. Then add your position into this industry. And if you have a website, you can also add its URL or link. And once you're done, click on next. After that, it will ask you how would you like to use it. So you can use any one of these options, click on next, and then it will ask you which platform you would like to use to add your socials into your signature. So click on next and then you have to select on which you want to use a signature. In our case, I'm gonna go with Outlook. Then here we have some of the information that we have to add. You can read all that like your name, your position, your social links and everything, and whatever you add you will get the preview on the right side. Along with your socials you can add your details like contact number, email address and other stuff, and then click on save and sign up using any one of these options. After that you have to upload your profile picture, and you can also upload a cover that you can use for your card, and once you're done you have to click onto this option. Then you will be onto this page, and now you have to get my signature extension on your Chrome. So for that reason you can see we have this option for install. You have to click onto it and then you have to go to the Chrome web store. Once you get there you will be able to add its extension. Once the extension has been added, simply close this tab and get back there. Once you get back, you have to click on Outlook and then you will see the option for copy to clipboard. Then simply get back and start creating your email, and you just have to do a copy paste, and after that you will see the signatures will be added there. Now whenever you compose your email, you will have your signature there. So that's how you can add email signature in Outlook. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.